Russia officially signs crypto regulation into law. While crypto market structure clarity is probably not going to get passed this week, I actually give it like 1% on passing this week because the politicians are fighting top crypto things you might have missed. Hump Day, Wednesday, I'm home from Las Vegas, August 5th, 2026. And my eyeball is itching so bad because it's so dry in the casinos anyways. And again, Dubai and Southeast Asia are completely slaying when it comes to crypto. Cynthia Lummis still thinks that we have a chance. Senator John Husted presses the Senate to act on the Clarity Act. Same with Brian Armstrong from Coinbase. And yeah, he's fighting for your rights with yield on stablecoins. But Senate Democrats are expected to block the cloture. And they also haven't committed a whole lot of support to Clarity. And then Wall Street Journal came out with a hit piece about yield on stablecoins. I literally sat in the airport lounge talking to a stranger about kind of what's happening because they brought up how bad the economy is and how we're in a K-shaped economy. And I brought up how everything is going to be on chain and yield on stablecoins could potentially help a family, even $500 or $300. And he agreed. So he got it. But realistically, the CFTC and the SEC are also pro crypto right now. So if it doesn't pass, we have to wait till September, even a little bit past that, we'll be fine. But it's if it doesn't pass at all and another administration comes in and they're not pro crypto, that's where it gets worrisome. Ledger is now connected to Axelar's interoperability network, XRPL. So basically developers can build anything XRPL and cross-chain without creating their own bridges, which is so important because it's annoying. XRPL RWA climbs 25.16% in a month, competing directly with Solana and Ethereum. A new Solana governance proposal would ramp up daily SOL burns. This is like a 14-time increase, and it's from like 47,000 to 650,000. Cardano's market cap increased 24% in the last week. BitGo is bullish on Chainlink, and they migrate 7.7 billion wrap Bitcoin to Chainlink CCIP. And for the first time ever, the S&P 500 to Bitcoin ratio has broken the 200-week moving average. And again, people like to use indicators for different things. This is basically saying that Bitcoin's time to bulk pump. But U.S. stocks continue to move higher. S&P and Dow hit new all-time high again, of course. SpaceX partners with NVIDIA, but retail investors sold a lot of their chip holdings. According to the Cobb letter, it was the third weekly sell-off in 4 weeks after 10 straight weeks of buying. We'll see what the markets do. Okay, bye.